Welcome guys to the channel. Alright, here we want to show you how to install Fedora. Alright, that's the flash where we burn the windows on it. Alright, press F9 to check the boot menu. Alright, we are doing that now. Okay. We are going to choose legacy mode. We are not going to use EFI mode to run the Fedora. Alright, so now we have click on F1, then check it, Fedora, see it there. Alright, that's the workstation. Alright, it's going to load. Yeah, it has to test all the peripherals, which is the hard drive, the everything that concerns the system, motherboard. Then it's going to check the ability of him installing it in it. Alright, still checking. After that, what next? It's going to load the operating system. Then we are going to see how to format it, then load the operating system Fedora. Alright, yeah, we are here. Okay, we have to install. Okay, let's try and install it. Okay, then this software is a very nice software. Okay, I used it when I was back in secondary school, junior secondary. I used it. It was a nice software. All right, we are in the hard disk part. That's where you divide the hard drive. Okay, you see how to delete if you want to delete your partitions. All right, I don't want to go there automatically. It will set my size, and which it has done. So we are running it now. What is going on is that the is installing the files of the operating system, the Fedora files, inside the hard drive. Okay, either hard drive or SSD. Okay, I'm using an SSD. I'm using a 128 SSD. All right, so that's what is going on now. Okay, so we are going to wait for a while. I'm still going to make this video long, not too long. I'm going to make it short for us to be hasting. All right. Okay. When it's done, after this, what next is it's going to load and restart for you to get. You're going to restart the system yourself. After that, then after restarting, okay, going to process it in the SSD. Okay, all right, I just want to be quick here. Then you do the necessary settings. These are normal settings, third party. Okay, then you put your name, and I think you need to get a password. It's not like Windows, you can't install without password. You have done that, and I'm through. You're set to use it. Okay, I think that's all. That's all you need to do to get your Fedora installed in your system. Okay, if you watch my previous video, you see where I show you how to create the flash drive. All right, so this is it, and please, if you see this video helpful, do well to subscribe, like, and share this video to your friends, to your loved ones, those that will need it. All right, okay, please, this is what I have for you. If you have a comment or you know a video about Fedora I have to do, all right, please do well to share your thoughts and your ideas. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Thank you.